Okay, so this, I'm gonna make a new account. It's gonna be quiet. It's gonna be a girl. I want a pretty color. A color I've never done. Oh my god, that's really pretty. Oh my god, I need to buy something with that color. Eee! Okay, I'm gonna use this color. No, not that color. Yeah, that color. I'm gonna use that color. I think I'm gonna use this purple for the eyes. No, I'm not. It's too... Ooh. My aunt has purple eyes. Well, they're just contacts, but they're purple. Okay, I'm just gonna do that because I really don't care. I'm gonna use this purple for the hair. Yeah, that looks pretty, I guess. I'm gonna use that color for... I've already used that look before. It's that look. I've used this look. I've never done this one because I really don't like why this is that low. Like, put it up more higher. Never use that. I don't really want to use that. I'm just gonna use this because, you know, I guess I could always have a lot of pants. I always loved them. I'm gonna use, like, heels. Nah, those are basic. Ugh, what color? I'm not using these. These are not too good. These are, like, really bright. I don't want any bright colors. I want, like, soft colors like these. How's this? I want to use this. Okay. So now, I think I'm going to do like the inside of this shirt. I'm going to do this. Use the black, this. Yeah, whatever, it looks fine. Okay, now I'm just going to... Wait. Okay, so I'm still looking for a name. Because I don't like any of these, and I have nothing to name this. Wait. Okay. I'm just gonna put pastel, because I guess that's what it is. Just gonna put my birthday. I'm gonna put... Okay. Create my account. Yay. Wait, no. Yay. Oh man, not that. Okay, so I guess... Oh, look. Hey. Alu. Bro, this is so loud. Well, since I have my earbuds on, it's like super duper loud. Wait, let me... Wait. I'm like babysitting this kid every day. Not every day. Them. Put Tim on. Hopefully he understands it. -27. Whoa, that was loud. Okay, let me just... Okay, so... Ouch. This hurts. My ears. So now I'm just going to be putting the colors. I'm only going to be copying the colors that I I said I wasn't going to be wearing, so it's going to be pretty boring and pretty basic. I like this upgrade, but then I also kind of don't like it because they keep doing this. Like, if I'm going to change colors, just leave it on that one color. See, like if I did this. So let's just say I click that, it should go back on mobile. If I click this, it should go back on classic, because I never clicked back to mobile. But no! I don't even like this. But I guess it looks fun. He's probably not, and you should probably. Wait, was that the right color? There. Okay, I don't know if I picked the right colors. Yikes, these look really ugly now. But, whatever. Hello.
I'm here.
You're here? I can see. Oh, thank you. Goodbye. I know it was on the couch. That's where I left it. Okay. Throw that away. I don't know which one of these I want. I kind of want this one. Then I'm gonna just get this one. Because it has a lot of colors. Oh, that's only 3. That was like a lot. Which, I'm gonna pick the blue from here. I'm gonna pick the purple from here. Oh, that's not too purple. I'm gonna pick the pink from here. Okay, that looks so ugly. Okay. Well, that's how it's gotta be. Bruh. You know what I should do? I should buy a drip top with my money that I've been saving for a long, long time. And, do like a drip thing. Cause I really want to do one. See what I get when I go on level 10. Okay, wait 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna log out of this one. I did a really mean joke. Really mean. Wait. Why won't it let me log out? Seriously, I hate that. Hopefully I'm not locked out of my account. But I did something really bad. And it's inappropriate, so I'm not gonna let you guys see it. You could just add the account if you want, if I'm not locked out. No. Oh God. Don't look at that. Well, I just got my account locked out. Oh my God. I'm so mean. I'm so bad. Why would I do this? I only did it because I got permanently locked out. Man. No, I just logged out on the main account. Oh, are you serious? Wait, let me try and look for the account.
Lisa, look at your orange. Look at your orange, Lisa. Look at the orange is orange.
I know. So I'm gonna just go here, playing this. Ouch. Hopefully it lets me into my chat rooms, because I'm not logged into my internet. Ew, what the heck? Wine. Friends. Love it. Wow, I already got offered those. Tell him. I got somewhere else to be. I don't. When asked the question, is he loyal to me? Oh, then he's probably not. You should probably. Oh my god, I need to stop singing. I sound horrible. I'm actually connected to my own Wi-Fi. See, look, that's me right there. I'm connected to my phone Wi-Fi. Let me. Okay, I did that. B. No, I thought that was a. Ugh, I thought that was a thing. And where is it? It's that. Are you serious? Okay, go to YouTube. And Earth from Little. I know who wrote the song. I don't want to say it though. Ew, I don't like this. I'm gonna add one of my own videos. Enter. Glee. Enter, I said. Yes. Add to my own playlist. Okay. I'm bad at naming these. Like, my names are like always super long. Level 11. Oh god. Let's not look at these. I might delete all of them because I hate them. Except the ones that are leveling up. I don't want to do this. Okay. There. See my status? Yes, look at this money. What? Why does it? No, click cheat room. Can anyone give me an auto? Auto. Is there anyone even here? Is anyone even here? Where's everybody? Oh. What's gonna ask? For me to auto them? Oh, okay, good. Oh, you're on level 2. I was just on level 2 like a minute ago. I mean, like 5 minutes ago. Let's see. Bruh, and you see why I didn't pick that? Because look at this. Wait, I can't X out. But look at this. Everything's the same. Except this is more prettier. When I log out of this, go to my main account. Oh no, my recording time is gonna end. I only have 30 more seconds. I guess I have to put part 2. Well, bye.